Don't go jumping into a hairstyle without asking yourself a few questions. How long do you need the hairstyle to last? Do you have an event to attend? What activities will you be doing? And will you be using your natural hair or adding hair extensions, whether that's braiding hair or weft hair? Figure that out, gather your supplies and entertainment, and know, girl, it's okay if you need to take an arm break. Welcome on in. I am Alicia Nikki Lee, and today's style comes out of my children's book, Bailey and the Braided Rescue. I love this style. Yes, it's a classic, but it's versatile, not just in the flexibility of styling it, but how there's no right way to creating it. There's only a few parts, and I do mean parts, that you have to do in order to accomplish this hairstyle. When starting off, you want to ask yourself, how do I want to do my first part? You can do a vertical part from the front of the head to the back. Now, if you start off this way, you will eventually have to do a horizontal part from ear to ear. So it does add an extra step, but you do have that flexibility in how you feel comfortable with starting. Do you want to measure your head symmetrically from front to back first, or just going right into the horizontal part from ear to ear? And when you get to doing that part from ear to ear, you want to ask yourself or your client, okay, how much hair in the front do I want to have concealed in braids or a twist? As an honorable mention, you also have to ask yourself, do I want to bang? Whether that is a cut bang in the front of your head or hair left out by your ears, one on the left, one on the right, or two bang pieces going from each side of your eye. Those bang pieces, you can handle that just like you would the back of your hair, whether that's curling it, waving it. You can even braid the bang down. But this is a part of that style flexibility. Oh, and if I haven't mentioned it yet, this style can be done with braids or twists. In today's video, I'm showing you exactly how you can achieve it in a twist. Twisting is a bit quicker than braids, and if you're not a comfortable braider yet, this is also a good style where you can bypass the whole braiding thing. After you section off the back of the hair that will not be twisted or braided, be sure to use a hair accessory to keep that part of the hair out of your way. And I prefer using hair bows, but claw clips and rubber bands work as well. You can even braid it down and use the accessory as well. The next step is all about what do you want to see in the mirror every day. Being that the style is going to last more than one day, it can, if you do not have to keep it in that long. But this style can literally get you from Sunday to Sunday. Being that those braids and twists will not be changing every single day, you have to be comfortable. How do you want to see the front? Do you want a freestyle design? Do you want the cornrows going straight from front of your head to the back? Do you want zigzag parts? Do you want diagonal twists and braids? However you want to see your braids or twists, it always leads with the part first. So if you're looking to have diagonal parts, you're going to have to create your parts going diagonally. Another thing is, how small do you want your braids or twists in the front? Because this hairstyle is great with however many braids or twists that you prefer. It's still going to look cute. This is a classic style, girl. You also need to ask yourself if you want the braids or twists to end at the scalp by adding a black or even colored rubber bands to it. You could just section that twist into two parts where you are creating 2-strand twists, because the 2-strand twist will last? Or do you want to braid or twist beyond where that horizontal part is? If you end up doing a twist, usually you're twisting to the scalp, but when you get past that horizontal part to where you're no longer twisting to the scalp, will help to keep it in place. And then if you are doing this hairstyle with a braid, all you're doing is you're just going to continue to braid past that horizontal part. Just something quick to mention, we want to think about hair accessories as well. And this isn't so big, it's just an option, of course. But if you do braid or twist all the way down past the horizontal part, loosely, not mixing. When I say braided all the way down, I don't mean adding it into the hair that's at the back of your head. I just mean going past that horizontal part and loosely braiding or twisting. You can add simple hair accessories like beads. Once that front section of the hair is complete, let out the bag, shake it up. If you don't have a style in mind, just play around with some things. Like I said, this hairstyle can get you from Sunday to Sunday, literally. And if you need it to last a bit longer, all you're having to do is the same thing that you're going to be doing to keep your hair fresh and ready, which is pretty much just moisturizing it, making sure that you are taking care of your scalp and not letting it dry out. But play around with the styles. I'm just gonna do a simple straight part with 2 ponytails, and I'm braiding down the ponytails, and I just wanted to add a little something with it. So I went ahead and created a small braid section, and I'm just gonna wrap that braid around the 2 braids that I have. Why? I don't know. Because there are no rules when it comes to this. Unless you are having to attend a dance competition where everyone's hair needs to be the same. But other than that, the freedom is yours. Add a couple of hair accessories, some butterfly clips, whatever it is, and just own this classic style. And if you're doing this by yourself, make sure to give yourself a pat on the back, because girl, you did it. And my name is Alicia Nikki Lee. This style comes from my book, Bailey and the Braided Rescue. You can grab your copy on Amazon.com, your PDF copy, my website at the link in the description, or just simply go to www.thenikkilee.com. Have a great day. I want to know how you turn this style into your own. And what accessories do you prefer? And if you are a part of the Twinkle Support Crew, if you have ever done this style way back when you were growing up, I want to know how you rocked it back then, because I can tell you a few stories. Until next time.